A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ritika Jhanji Jagtiani, and once again, what an honor it is to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to HVS Anorak Hope 2026. Now, looking at this room, which is filled with global brand leaders, with owners, with innovators and policymakers, one thing is clear, that the future of hospitality is not somewhere else. It is in this very room. Talking of hope, which is hospitality, overview, presentation, and exchange, ladies and gentlemen, it was never meant to be just another hospitality conference, and 4 editions, 4 years down the line, it certainly isn't. If I may say so, without doubt, Hope is one of the most influential hospitality summits in the region, and I think that deserves a big round of applause. And this year's theme is not something that's going to whisper momentum, it announces momentum. The theme this year, ladies and gentlemen, is Unstoppable India. We are not making a slogan. It is a signal, a statement. It is not an aspiration, it is a reflection. A reflection of the confidence, of the scale, and of the momentum that India's growth story is showing, and the kind of opportunities it presents to tourism, hospitality, and travel sector in the country. And over the next 2 days here in Goa, along with each one of you, we'll be unpacking this reality. And of course, there'll be plenty of opportunities for purposeful networking and to create memorable experiences. So without further ado, let's get started by giving a big round of applause to all the partners without whose support and contributions, Hope 2026 would not have been possible. Let's hear it up for our partners, please. And now, to officially set the context for Hope 2026 and what we should be expecting in the next 2 days, ladies and gentlemen, with a generous round of applause, please welcome on the stage the President and CEO South Asia HVS Anorak, Mr. Mandeep Lamba.
It's that moment of the year again when I stand here and I look at the audience and I say, wow, this is such a good feeling. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my privilege and honor to welcome you all to the 4th edition of Hope 2026. Same destination, same venue, the same familiar energy, only the conversations have become sharper, the balance sheets have become stronger, and the WhatsApp groups have become noisier. When we first conceptualized Hope, we hoped that the industry would embrace it. Little did we know that in such a short span of time, this would become a calendar fixture, a much-awaited industry reunion, and for some of you, a very strategic offsite. And the reason Hope has grown in stature year after year, it's simple. Because of all of you in this room. You have made Hope relevant, you have made Hope credible, and you have made Hope matter. This year's theme, as you were just told, is Unstoppable India. And as the sessions unwind from here, you will see the picture stories that we have created on Unstoppable India displayed on this 150 feet gigantic LED screens. India is not in a moment. India is in a movement. And hospitality is not a bystander, hospitality is the enabler. And over the next 1.5 days, we will have the finest minds from the sector and beyond the sector talk, debate, and discuss the unfolding next decade, promising to be the best decade for hospitality in the country. And before I leave, I'm often asked, 4 years of hope in Goa, is it moving? Goa and Taj Sirare Goa are now a part of our DNA. So next year, same time, same venue for Hope 2027. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your trust, thank you for your partnership, and thank you for your unwavering support. A really big thank you to all our sponsors, without whom Hope would never be what it is, and we would never have the confidence and the ability to take it to the next level each and every year. On behalf of all of us at HVS Anarok, thank you for all the love, the affection, the support, the camaraderie, the feedback that we get constantly, which makes us deliver hope with much more passion every growing year. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a very, very warm welcome to Hope 2026. Let's make it worthy of its name. Enjoy the next 2 days. Thank you very much.